This single equation shattered 2,000 years of physics. It ended the reign of Aristotle and rewrote the laws of motion forever. And yet, almost everyone misunderstands it.
It's not just force equals mass times acceleration. It's a revolution in how we describe reality. It's a declaration of how nature truly behaves, stripped of intuition, grounded in math.
This is the moment physics became a science of cause and effect, not just stories and speculation.
Before Newton, motion was a mystery.
To Aristotle, things moved because they wanted to return to their natural place.
He suggested two motions: natural motion, which does not require force to occur. For example, apple or anything falling down. Unnatural motion, which require force to occur. For example, throwing a ball, pushing a chair. Contradictory to mechanics, Aristotle says motion is caused by inherent nature of objects and not by forces. This is what he says: everything in the universe had a natural place, a location where it belonged in the cosmic order. Objects move because they're trying to return to their natural place by a built-in tendency to seek their rightful position in the universe. Earth, the center of the universe. Water, just above Earth. Air above water. Fire naturally rises to the top. Rock falls because it's made of earth and it wants to go down, toward the center of the earth. This idea wasn't based on external forces or acceleration, an inner purpose or nature of the object itself.
It took 2,000 years to realize motion doesn't need a cause, that motion is not because of purpose of the nature, that motion is mechanical. Newton wrote 3 laws, but this was the heart of them. Force doesn't cause motion, it causes acceleration. It was subtle, but world-shattering. Suddenly, the universe became programmable, predictable, measurable. Physics was no longer why. It became what happens next. But what even is a force? It's not a thing you see, it's a cause. A force is anything that changes how something moves. Push something, pull it, gravity, friction, tension, they're all just names for changes in motion.
And that is what Newton's second law actually says.
If your motion is changing, there's a force behind it. No change, no force. Constant speed, that's zero force. And what about mass? It's not just how much stuff. Mass is resistance to acceleration. That's why it matters in this equation. Heavier objects need more force to accelerate the same amount. That's what makes a truck harder to push. Not just weight, but inertia. What Newton really gave us was a machine, a rule to plug in numbers and predict the future. From cannonballs to comets, it worked so well, it ruled physics for 300 years. Planets, rockets, satellites, all run on the same rule that explains an apple falling sends humans to space.
Newton's second law.
The first glimpse into how the universe responds to causes. This is what people forget, is not just a classroom formula. It's a revolution in thinking. It tells us the universe is causal, measurable, predictable. It gave us science and technology and control. It's not just an equation, it's a new lens on reality. This was just the beginning. One equation, infinite impact.